कौम मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है कि ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट के हाई कोर्ट के जज हैं। उनके जरिए से आपने हमारे खिलाफ साजिश करते हुए मुझे और शहबाज शरीफ को नाअहल करार दे दिया।
After being disqualified by the Lahore High Court earlier this year, Nawaz Sharif complained of not being allowed to contest the elections. PMLN was keen to see Nawaz contest the by-elections, but now when he can run for the elections, his party is giving excuses for delaying them.
थ्रेट है कि जो राह रास्त ऑपरेशन हो रहा है और जो उसका नया फेज़ शुरू होने वाला है जनूबी वज़ीरिस्तान की तरफ से, तो उसका जो है वो रिएक्शन आएगा। दहशतगर्दों का फोकस है वो एक तो पंजाब है, और पंजाब में जो उसके मेन सिटीज़ हैं लाहौर है, पिंडी है, तो ये जो है वो अंडर जो है वो थ्रेट है। तो इस बुनियाद के ऊपर हम ये चाहते हैं कि हम इस तरह से जलसे जुलूस करके तो दहशतगर्दों को सॉफ्ट टारगेट ना दें।
But in the recent past, the party leadership ignored security threats for the political campaign. When Nawaz Sharif went to Sheikhupura to address a huge public gathering during the governor's rule, Sharif went to the extent of removing a bulletproof screen from the dais, ignoring the security concerns.
ये मेरे प्यारे कारकुनों के दरमियान ये पर्दा क्यों हाइल है? भाई मियाँ, उसको जरा हटाओ यार, मेहरबानी करो, इसको पर्दे को हटाओ।
A few days later, Lahore came under attack, but it couldn't stop PMLN's political campaign. Instead, it multiplied.
फिर आपको लॉन्ग मार्च करनी होगी। लॉन्ग मार्च में मेरे साथ आपको इस्लामाबाद आपको भी पहुंचना होगा।
Just a few weeks after the attack on Sri Lankan cricket team, Nawaz Sharif requested and encouraged people to come out on the streets to be part of the Long March, despite several warnings from the federal government of a possible terrorist attack. Members of other political parties are calling security concerns expressed by the PMLN as a lame excuse.
They are accepting their failure to provide security to the people of the province. So I think they should not go to the court. Rather, they should resign. If Mian Nawaz Sharif is elected to the National Assembly, so he will have to do something as an opposition leader. He'll have to speak and he'll have to lead the people on the roads. So he is avoiding to get into the National Assembly.
PMLN justifies all the accusations by saying that if Nawaz Sharif was reluctant in contesting the by-elections, he would have never submitted his nomination papers. Political rivals of PMLN, however, believe that by challenging the by-elections, the party has shown its weaknesses. Firstly, because of its reluctance to become an effective opposition party in the National Assembly, and secondly, by expressing security concerns in its own administered province, failing to let people exercise their democratic right. Danial Hassan, Dawn News, Lahore.